Hi all, happy to meet you all in the next new video. So I recently attended an interview for a company called NTT Data. Okay, so in that they asked me a question which is related to anagrams. Okay, so anagram in the sense they have given the words like cat, tack, mat, tam. Okay, now the output they expecting is like cat, comma, tack. This is one set, and next is mat, comma, tam. See the logic for anagram. What is mean by anagram is like cat is having letter CAT and TAC. Tack is also having the same letter CAT. Okay, so these two comes under one group, and this letter MAT mat and this TAM is also having the same characters which is present in MAT. Okay, so like this we need to group it. This is what called as anagram. Mhm. Okay, now what we will do now, we will put all this in a string array. Array of words is equal to cat. So for debugging convenience, let's keep in this pattern. Okay, now we will find the length of the string of words. Okay, now let's take a for loop. We will take words one by one. First let me take the first word. Okay, string space word is equal to array underscore words of I. Now we need to find the length of this particular word. Now let me convert this word into char array. Word dot to char array, and let me sort this. Okay, I sorted this. After sorting it, let me convert into a sorted word. See, what we are trying to do is first I'm taking the word cat. I'm finding the length of the word. I'm converting into a char array. I think given length is not needed. Okay, I'm converting into a char array. Then I'm sorting it. Okay, so when I'm sorting it, it will come something like act or something. Okay, it should be act or something. So after sorting it, I'm converting into a letter. I'm converting the letters into a word. Okay, now I need a boolean statement. Boolean space test1. Here I need a hash map to save all these groups. Hash map. Here it is string and here it is array list of string. Okay, so it is hash underscore map word group equal to new hash map. What's problem here? Okay, let's make it to list only. Okay, it need to be imported. Hash map dot contains key sorted word does not contain. So for does not contain, I am adding a exclamatory mark. So if test1, so the sorted word, it is not already present in this particular hash map, then it will come inside this if logic. Then what we need to do is in the hash map not add, only put will work. Put sorted word comma, for the sorted word I am creating a string. Okay, so this is a new, okay, cannot initialize a list with string data type. Okay, then we can initialize array list. Oh, that also not possible. Array list cannot be resolved to a type. So in the hash map we need to put the sorted word first, then comma, we need to initialize a new array list. Okay, without data type, that also won't work, right? Here we put list string only, right? Okay, let it be. We will solve it later. Okay. If this if condition doesn't work, then in the else we will put, we need to get the key sorted word dot put the, what happened, dot put word. Why the put is not working? Cannot instantiate the string list string. No other option, we need to check it in the hash map. Okay, let it check for us. Okay, again Eclipse is slow. Okay, let it be, we will solve this. Nowadays, even ChatGPT is taking longer time to solve it. Simple solution doesn't work. List is an interface, not a class. Yes, correct. Cannot create an object of list using list string. Hash underscore word put dot. Mm, like this only we are also doing. Still it's not working, right? Okay, this list string also need to be declared, huh? Let us declare array list. Okay, here also array list, here also array list. We can put it like here as well. It should work. This is also not possible. This issue is getting solved by itself with time or few seconds delay. Let's try to print it now. Act equal to tag, correct. AMT equal to null, but for AMT, see, for act tag has been matched. For AMT, some other things need to be matched, right? See, one Java code you need to debug and see it for some 2 to 3 times, then only you will get a fair idea of that. We got now some clarity. Now cat and tag has been tagged, and mat and tam also need to be tagged, but it is not happened. Why not happened? That only we need to check. This question is not a direct question, it is slightly complicated only. You need to carefully debug. Array underscore word, no? Oh, okay. Only 3 words I have added here. Okay, understood. Okay, so the output is correct only. So array underscore word is cat tag mat, and length of the word should be 3. And now a new hash map is initialized. If you hover over on this, you can see. Okay, I hope you see this. One empty braces has been came. Now currently the I value will be 0. Okay, and if you see it in the array of words, for the 0th index the value is cat. Currently I value is what? 0. So for here also I value will be 0. So for array underscore words, 0th value is cat. So in word it will come as cat, and I think this one is not needed. Okay, now I am trying to convert into array. The word is converted into array c comma a comma t, and now I am sorting it something around act. Yeah, so it got sorted. For this sorted char array I am converting it to a string, so act will become a word. So in the boolean it is checking in this particular hash map the word act is present or not. Initially the hash map is empty. Okay, it should not contain. If it does not contain, because I give you exclamatory mark, then it will become true. Test 1. Since it is true, it will go inside this loop, inside this if logic. So in if logic, what it will happen? For the sorted word, it will create a new array list. Okay, here it created a new array list. This empty list has been created because of this code snippet, highlighted one. Now what will happen is in the hash underscore map, it will, for the sorted word as key, it will add the word cat. Okay, so if you see it now in the hash map, for act equal to cat, both are anagrams, it's added properly. Now if you see, the I value will be 1. Okay, for array of word 1 is equal to tag, so the word will be tag. And it is converted into char array tag, and it will be sorted, it will be act, and it will be converted into a word. What happened? It is not telling. Okay, so hash map contain act and cat. So in sorted word it is act. Okay, so it is already contained, so here it will be false. It should be false. Okay, it is not showing. Sometime in debug it will not show, but it will not go inside this if logic. Oh, it's going. See, it is false, then how come it is going inside it? It is surprising, man. Sorted underscore word is act. Sorted underscore word is act. Okay, and this act is contained as a key. If it does not contain, then only it will be true. Okay, Next word is mat. Mat is converted into array list. Okay, there is some issue in debugging. If there is this kind of issue, just terminate the entire debug and you can run it. In array of words, it will be cat tag mat. In the length of words, it is 3. In hash map, it is empty. In the word, it is cat. Now it will be converted into say char array. Now it is sorted as act. Now this act will be converted, this array will be converted into a word. So in the hash map it will check whether it is present. That's not present, so it is true. So it will go inside this loop. So inside this loop what will happen? The hash map for the sorted word as key, so a new array list is formed. So this empty brace is formed because of this code statement. Okay. Now what happened in the hash map? With sorted word as key, act as key, the word cat will be added. Now if you see it in the hash map, the word cat is added. Okay, now what word will take an second word? Tag is taken. Okay, it is converted into char array and it is converted into act, and array is converted to word. Here it is checked whether hash underscore map underscore word underscore group dot contains a sorted word. Act it contains, right? So here it should be false. So inside this logic it should not go. Yeah, it jumped. Okay, this if statement is jumped. So now what will happen is hash underscore map dot get the sorted word act. We have the act as key and it will add the word tag. Okay, if you see it, the tag is added. Now the string word is equal to array underscore word I mat. This word came. Okay, so the sorted word is what? AMT. So this AMT is present in the hash map or not? Not present. Since it is not present, it will come as true. Since it is true, it will go inside this code snippet and it will create a new list. That is the purpose. So for the given word AMT, a new list will be generated. See, a new list got empty list got generated. New list and it's empty list. Now what will happen? So for the key as sorted word, the word mat will be added. Okay, I think now it should come out of the loop and it will print like this. Simple. Cat comma tag is one group and mat is another group. That's all. Simple logic. And one more code improvement what you can do, no, you can create a array list of list. Okay, you give the name as nested array list. It's equal to new array list. Okay, and here you add the old array list or old hash map. Okay, now you find the length of this nested array list or size, whichever works. Now for int I is equal to 0, I less than length of array underscore, no, you want this length I plus plus. Now what you can take is, you can take the first array list of, you give the name as singular array list is equal to this one dot get index I. Now you need to find the length of this singular array list. Here length won't work, so you give us size. Okay, now one boolean space test2 is equal to greater than 1 greater than 1, then sys out singular array list. See, this code statement is still more optimizing. Okay, this code statement, so up to here is sufficient to crack the interview. Okay, this is still more. What it will do is, it will give only the groups alone by executing this key, by removing this key. Okay, we will run the Java code now. See now, so whatever grouping is there, only the groups alone executed. So this entire segment now it is optional only. Till here you need to understand and do. If you have any queries in debugging this code, you can tell me. We will throw some more light on that as well. Yeah, bye all. So some other interview tip that I need to give to you all is like, monthly at least attend some 3 to 4 interviews for your practice purpose. Then only you will understand what the market is expecting. So it is, the logic is simple. Step 1 is you need to get lot of interview calls. Step 2 is all those calls need to be converted into scheduled interviews. And step 3 is like, you need to take a list of questions what they are asking in the interview, like I have taken. So if you see here, it will be a very big list. Okay, like this you need to take what are the Java codes they are asking in the interviews frequently, and you need to continuously practice it. And also you need to take a list of Java questions, Selenium questions, and rest assured questions or API testing questions what they are asking, and you need to continuously prepare. So that is step 4. Then step 5, so after 3 to 4 interviews you will start slowly clearing the L1 L2, and in the 6th step you will receive your offer letter. So this is what, so you need to do it with a disciplined process, daily practicing it for minimum 1 hour. I'm 100% sure it is not that much difficult. Consistent work, no, that is a painful job that you need to do to crack the interview. So there is no other option. Okay, and I am providing a training related to QA automation, interview cracking, and previously I had worked as a corporate trainer as well. Okay, so you can contact in the mobile number which is mentioned in the particular YouTube, in the particular screen itself. Around here it will be mentioned. Okay, so you can contact if it's required for you. Yeah, thanks all.